Laziness won't benefit you. This short story comes from ancient times. It is believed that a king ordered his men to place a boulder on the roadway. He then hid in the bushes, to see if anybody would move the boulder out of the way. The story states that the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers walked past the boulder, without batting an eyelid. They assumed moving the boulder was a job beneath them. Somebody else would do it. The boulder remained on the road for many days. Many people started to get quite angry at the king, blaming him for the state of the roads. However, not one person took the time to move the boulder. Inspirational short stories. Photo by pen_ash from Pixabay. Until one day, a peasant came along carrying vegetables. He approached the boulder, and without hesitation, decided that he would try to move it. He attempted to push the stone away, which took a lot of effort and time. With much pushing and straining, he finally managed, and the boulder was finally moved. The peasant went back to hear the boulder was sat, to collect his vegetables. To his surprise, there was a purse lying on the road, which contained an array of gold coins and a note from the king. It explained that whoever moved the boulder would receive the gold. The takeaway of the story: our life is an opportunity. You shouldn't expect other people to do everything for you in life. Though it may be difficult, you should push yourself and better yourself. Not only this, but sometimes you have to make decisions that benefit the greater good. Of course, you may not always be treated with a purse of gold. However, you will be in direct control of your future. The moral of the story is that hard work and independence will always be beneficial for you in life.